The defendant was alleged to have used stick and razor blade to inflict multiple injuries on the body of the boy who she accused of stealing pieces of meat. Delivering judgment, Chief Magistrate Olufumilayo Edwin sentenced the defendant to 3.5 years on the first count charge of grievous harm she inflicted on the victim in the viral video. The defendant was also sentenced to 1 year imprisonment on count 5. The prosecution and defense counsels react to the judgment.
Defendant, in person of Mrs. Opeyemi, has been sentenced to 3.5 years on the first count, which is grievous harm that she inflicted harm on Joel Sunday in the viral video that we have seen before today. Then for the second one, which is count 5, that is 1 year imprisonment. The implication of this is that the sentence of the court will run, and then she has to still come back to court on April 13th for the trial of the other count 3.
I think the magistrate has not heard. The magistrate is fair, going by what has happened, but we do the needful at the appropriate time.
Also reacting to the judgment, Ondo State First Lady Mrs. Betty Akeredolu expressed joy that justice has been speedily served and assured children in the state of adequate protection.
Justice has been served today, and it is a very strong message, that we're putting out there, that this cruelty or level of cruelty will not be tolerated in Ondo State.
Father and uncle of the victim, Sunday Joel, who hailed from Kebbi State, Mr. Sunday and Daladi Yahi, explained that their 2 children were given to Ms. Opeyemi to be admitted in school in Kwara State, as they could not attend school in Kebbi State due to the worsening security situation.
Come the big people come. This last year, people are calling us so that students will come to the house. The big come. Later, our number no come, they go again. Before we hear something, the police come, they call our house, say, okay, now we be the people of all those children, we say yes. So we should come to Ondo State, Akure, for the sake of their life.
Joel is responding to treatment in the hospital. From Akure, the Ondo State capital, Jonah Omowa reporting.